Hey guys, Lucas here, Venture Surplus, here to go over and review a pretty cool lightweight first aid kit. Alright, so what we got here is an older Alice first aid kit. So they haven't been really in use in a while. I think these are referred to as jungle first aid kits. If they're not, please comment below and let me know how wrong I am. But they're Alice, so they come with two slide belt keepers if you want to get technical. If you don't want to get technical, Alice clips. But what that means is any thin belt up to about 2 inches, you can put it right on there. Or backpack straps, anything like that. So it's almost as good as Molly, not quite, but it still means you can put it just about anywhere. What's great about this is once you open up the clips or the buttons right here, it's plastic insert case that fits right in here. If you don't want to use it, you can toss it. Just use this for something. But this plastic case is pretty cool because it's going to keep all your supplies dry, safe, and just in general organized. So you can put pretty much anything you need for like just basic supplies in here. You're not going to be able to fit an Israeli or anything really modern. This is made for more of the old school, like you carry a bandage and, I don't know, iodine on you kind of stuff. So, but that's great for Band-Aids, alcohol, cloth, or swabs, you know, stuff like that that your kid might need when he's out in summer camp, or you're just going to the woods for the day, not really thinking anything crazy is going to happen. So it's good for that, waterproof, all that. So yeah, make sure to check these out. These are great for just about anything in any small first aid kit. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check us out on venturesurplus.com. We have a wide selection of authentic USGI gear that's always rotating. Subscribe here, leave a comment and like, and then check out our email list as well so you can find out the newest gear.